Hello friends, welcome to Learner's Planet. Friends, this is our third session for squares and square roots. In this session, we are going to discuss how to find squares of numbers, right? So let's begin this session. Friends, to find out the square of any number, we use various algebraic identities. For example, suppose a plus b whole square. That's a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now suppose I have to find out maybe square of 31, right? So that can be written as 30 plus 1 whole square. So that's a plus b whole square. Now it can be, we can expand it like this: 30 square plus 2 into 30 into 1 plus 1 square, that is 2ab plus b square. So a square plus 2ab plus b square, right? Now what is 30 square? That's 900. 3 square is 9 and square of 10 is 100 plus 2 into 30 60 plus 1, so that is 961. Okay, so that is 31 square. So this way we can find out the square of any number. Apart from that, we use a minus b whole square. That's a square minus 2ab plus b square. Suppose I have to find out the square of 49. So it can be written as 50 minus 1 whole square. Now this is a minus b whole square. So we can expand it like this: 50 square minus 2a into b plus b square. So 50 square is what? 5 square 25 and 10 square is 100 minus 100 plus 1. So 2500 minus 100 is 2400 plus 1 is 2401. So that's a square of 49, right? So basically these algebraic identities we use to find out the square of any number. Apart from that, some specific number here I would like to discuss. The numbers which end in 5, we can find the square in this manner. See, it's 25 square, 35 square, 45 square, 55 square, 65 square, right? So you just put up 25 at the end, and the tens digit, here the tens digit is 2. Multiply this to its next number in the series. So 2 into 3, that is 6. Put 6 as it is. Now 35 square, it's 25. 3 into its next number, that's 4. So 3 into 4, 12. So 35 square is 1225. Similarly 45 square, put 25 as it is. 4 into the next number, it's 5. So 4 into 5, 20. Similarly over here 25 we have to put up as it is. 5 into its next number, that's 30, and that's 6. So 5 into 6 is 30. Similarly it's 25. 6 into 7, 42. Similarly you can find out the square of other numbers which are ending in 5. Okay, now let's practice some of the problems. Suppose I have 203 square, right? So that's 200 plus 3 whole square. That's a plus b whole square. Just expand it: a square plus 2a into b plus b square. 2 square is 4, 100 square is 10,000 plus 200 into 6, that is 1200 plus 9, right? So just add. So it's 41209, as simple as that. Okay, I take one more example over here. Suppose I have 498 square. So it's 500 minus 2 square, right? So it's a minus b whole square. So that's a square minus 2a into b plus b square. Okay, 5 square 25, 100 square 10,000. So 00 will be converted to 4 times 0. Minus 2 2s are 4. 4 into 5, 20. So it's 2000 plus 4, right? So it's 2,50,000 minus 2000. First of all, we have to deduct. So after making this calculation, we'll be getting 248004. That is the square of 498. Okay. Then we have 1001 square, so that is 1000 plus 1 whole square, so that is 1000 square, that is a square plus 2a into b plus b square. So it's 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 zeros plus 2000 plus 1. So I just add it over here, 1 0 0 2 0 0 1, right? So that is the square of 1001. Okay, now let's take 425 square. So it's there are two ways, either this 25 and 42 into 43 you can do. 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, 4 2s are 8, 4 4s are 16. So it's 6, 8 into 10, 6, 7 and 8 and 1. So it's 180625, right? Or what you can do is 400 plus 25 square. So that is a plus b whole square. So that is a square plus 2ab plus b square, right? So 4 4s are 16, 1 6 0 0 0 0 plus 25 into 2 is 50, 50 into 4 is 200, then 2 zeros plus 625, right? So add this over here. So it's 526081, right? So that's 180625. That is the square of 425. So you can go either way. Let's find out 998 square. So that is 1000 minus 2 whole square. That is a minus b whole square. So it's a square minus 2a into b plus b square, right? So it's 100000 minus 4000 plus 4, right? So we have to do this calculation. So that will be 996004. That is the square of 998. Okay, so you just have to do some problems on this pattern. All the methods which I am discussing over here are really easy. You just have to practice. Okay, so let's now discuss about square roots. Okay. Friends, there are two methods of finding out the square roots. One is prime factorization method and other is long division method. First of all, we'll be taking some problems based on prime factorization method to find out the square root of any number, right? We have already discussed though, but let's take some more examples. Suppose we have to find out the square root of 11025. Now what is the first step? You have to factorize it, right? You'll be able to recall that we have already discussed this method. It is divided 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, so it's divisible by 3. So 3 3s are 9, 2, 0, 3 6 are 18, 2, further it is divisible by 3. So 3, 12, 2, 3 2s are 6, 1. Now it is not divisible by 3. So let's divide it by 5. 5 2s are 10, 2, 5 4s are 20, 2, 5 5s are 25. Further 5 4s are 20, 4 5 9s are 45. Is 7 7 7 1. Now when we have to find out the square root of the given number, we choose one number from a pair, right? So it's a pair of 3 3. We'll be choosing 1, we'll be choosing 1 5, we'll be choosing 1 7 and multiply these three numbers. So 3 into 5 into 7, right? So 5 into 3 is 15, into 7 105. That is the square root of 11025, right? What we do is we take one factor from each pair. Here from pair of 3 we are taking one factor, from pair of 5 we are taking one factor, from pair of 7 we are taking one factor, right? And we are multiplying these three. So 3 into 5 into 7, that's 105. That is the square root of 11025. So this is what the prime factorization method. Okay. Now suppose I have a number 298116. Okay. It's 2 1 4 1, then 9 0, 2 5s are 10, 1, 2 8s are 60. Okay, further we divide it by 2, 2 7s are 14, 2 4s are 8, 1, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, and 2 9s are 18. Okay, further 7 and 4, 11 plus 5, 16, 17, 18 and 9, 27. So that's, it is divisible by 3. So let's divide it by 3. So 3 2s are 6, 1, 3 4s are 12, 2, 3 8s are 24, 1, 3 4s are 12, and 3 3s are 9. Okay, further we divide it by 3, 3 8s are, 3 2s are 8 and 1. Okay, now 8 2, 8 1, it is not divisible by 3. So what we do is, it's even not divisible by 5. Let's try by 7. So 7, I just write over here, 8 2, 8 1. 7 1s are 7, 1, 2, 7, 5, 8, 7 8s are 56, 2 and 1. That means it is divisible by 7. So let's divide it. 7, 1, then 1, 8 and 3, right? Further I divide it by 7. 7, 1, 4, 8, 7, 6 are 42, 6 and 7 9s are 63, right? Then this is 13 into 13 and then 13 into 1. Okay, now 1 from this, 1 from this, 1 from this, 1 from this. So 2 into 3 into 7 into 13. 2 into 3 into 7 into 13. That is 6 into 7, 42 into 13. 13 2s are 26. 13 4s are 52 and 2. So 546 is the square root of this number 298116, and the prime factorization method is really very easy. You need to practice some problems based on that. Okay, I hope you are clear. Now friends, let's discuss some word problems based on square and square roots. Here the product of two numbers is 1296. If one number is 16 times the other, find the numbers, right? What is the first step? Let one number be x, right? That means the other number will be what? 16 times this number, so that will be 16x. Okay, now product of these two, that is x and 16x, is 1296. So x into 16x is 1296. That means 16x square is 1296. That means x square is 1296 by 16. First of all, let's simplify that. So x square is 81. That means x is what? Which number square is 81? That's 9, right? So one number is 9 and another is x is 9, and another number 16x, that is 16 into 9, that's 144. So one is 9 and other is 144. Okay. Now friends, let's say this problem. A welfare association collected rupees 202500 as donations from the residents. If each paid as many rupees as there were residents, find the number of residents. We assume that the total number of residents are x. Let the number of residents be x, and each is donating x rupees, so the total donation will be x into x, that means x square. Now x square is 202500. Now we have to find out the number of residents, that means x. That means we have to find out the square root of this number, right? So x is what? Square root of this number. Now we have to find out square root of 202500. What we can do is, just listen to me carefully. What I'll do is 2025 into 100, right? So square root of 100 is what? 10. Okay. Now what we do is, we find out the square root of 2025. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That means it is divisible by 3. So 3, 6 are 18, 2, 3, 7 are 21, 1. Okay. 5, 4s are 20. Still it will be divisible by 3. 3, 7s are 21, 1, 5. Then 3, 25. Then 5, 5 and 5, 1. So 1, 3, 1, 3 and 1, 5. So 5 3s are 15, 3s are 45. So square root of 2025 is 45. But we want square root of 202500, so that will be 45 into 10, this is 10. Okay, so it's 450. So x square is what? 202500. That means x is what? 450. That means total number of residents will be 450 and each has contributed 450 rupees. Okay, I hope you are clear. Now friends, let's try this question. The area of a square field is 5184 meters square. A rectangular field whose length is twice its breadth has its perimeter equal to perimeter of the square field. Find the area of rectangular field. Now area of square field is given, that's 5184. That means what? Suppose side of the square is s. That means s square is 5184. That means s will be square root of 5184. Now let's find out the square root of 5184. 8 and 4 12, 13 and 5 18. That means this is divisible by 2 and 3 both, right? So 2, 25, 1, 9, 2. One more time. 2, 12, 24, 1, 2 9s are 18, 1, 6. Okay, further 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8 and 2 8s are 16. Further 2 3, 2 4. Further 1 6 2. Then 2 81. Then 3 27. 3 9 3 3 and 3 1. Now we just have to find out the square root. It's 2 2 2 3 3. So square root will be 3 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 2. 3 3s are 9, 2s are 18, 2s are 36, 2s are 72. Okay, so square root of 5184 is 72. That means side of square is 72, right? So that means what? Perimeter of square will be what? 72 into 4. Right? Now this is the perimeter of even the rectangular field. Now in case of rectangular field, it is given to us that length is twice its breadth, right? Suppose breadth is, length is L, I assume length of rectangular is L, so breadth will be twice, length is twice its breadth. That means breadth is L by 2. Okay, so perimeter will be what? Perimeter of rectangle is 2 times L plus L by 2. So 2 times 3L by 2, that means 3L. So perimeter of the rectangle is 3L. Okay. And this 3L is equal to 288 because the perimeter of square and the perimeter of rectangle is same. So 3L is equal to 288. That means L is equal to 96, I'm sorry. 3 9s are 27, 1 8s, 3 6 are 18. That means length of the rectangle is 96 and breadth will be half of this, that's 48. So area of the rectangle will be what? Length into breadth. That's 96 into 48. Okay. So that is 4608 square meter. Okay, I just go for a quick recap over here. This is a question. Area of the square field is given. So I assume the side to be S. So S square is 5184. That means S will be square root of 5184. By prime factorization method, we find out the square root of 5184. That comes to 72. Now that is the side of the square. So if it is the side of the square, perimeter will be 4 times. That is 72 into 4. So that's 288. Right. Now in case of rectangle, it is given to us that length is twice of breadth. So length, if I assume L, then breadth will be L by 2. Right. So perimeter of rectangle is what? 2 times length plus breadth. So 2 times length plus breadth. So that's 2 into 3L by 2. So that's 3L. Now 3L is 288 as perimeter of square and rectangle is same. So perimeter of square is 288 and the same will be perimeter of rectangle. So 3L is 288. So by this way we'll get the value of L. And half of L is B, that's breadth of the rectangle. So we got length and breadth, and area will be length into breadth, that's 96 into 48, that's 4608 square meter. Okay, so I hope you are clear with this problem. Friends, will be taking more problems based on square and square roots in our next session. Bye bye.